welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. This is Susie, his wife, and I have a really cool product, free product and a paid review. This vendor has sent a peel-off mask. It's an activated bamboo charcoal mask, and this is by Ebanel. It's a deep cleansing and purifying mask for your face, and wow, pretty much as many masks as you want to get out of this thing. You put it on whatever area you want of your face that needs the purification and to get the toxins out. So it's enriched with the hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E, niacinamide, aloe vera, and amino acids. So I'm thinking it's going to be really nice. So I'm going to give this a shot on my face. Let me just see. Yep, I figured there was going to be one of these to pull off. And they got, they've sent a neat applicator also. Okay, so there's that. And the little applicator kind of looks like a little plastic putty knife. Oh, it's rubber.
Oh, so you can squeegee it right on your face.
Yeah, it's like plastering. Okay, so we're going to give this a shot here. So once you put it on, you let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll be applying it, and then we'll let it dry, and then you can watch me peel it off. So here we go. Oh, interesting. So it is black. And you want to avoid eyebrows and lips.
Seems like it's smoothing on pretty nice.
It is. Boy, that rubber applicator is really nice.
Just like drywalling.
Right?
You got a drip there.
Yep. And I just got it in my eyebrows. You know, I work in an oil field, so I don't know that anyone's going to notice. Or what it's going to do to my eyebrow. I guess we'll find out.
But we do work in a very dusty, oily environment.
Oh, yes.
So this mask should be nice, huh?
Mostly dust.
We're going to do one on me, too. I bet you. I have an oily face anyway. I bet you we're going to be pulling some stuff off my face.
The dust is so thick here, though.
Yeah.
It's bad.
You can't scrub enough.
No. And it doesn't really say how much to put on.
Okay, I want you to go really slow. All right, looks like you're coming close to the end here.
Yeah, I think so.
You look beautiful.
Do I?
Yeah.
It's pretty sexy.
Yeah. This is a charcoal mask.
Yeah, bamboo charcoal.
Bamboo
charcoal. Bamboo
so
charcoal.
they burned up bamboo to get this.
I guess so. Okay.
So now we wait 15 or so minutes?
10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll peel it off.
All right, so we're back. How you feeling?
Here we are.
How's your face feel?
I feel like I can't move my face.
Yeah, your face is paralyzed?
Mm-hmm.
So it's tight?
It is tight. Now, it does say, it did take longer. It does say to wait until it's completely dry. Okay, so it did take considerably longer for me. The product itself says wait 10 to 15 minutes or until completely dry. So for me, it was considerably longer than 15 minutes. It was probably 25 maybe.
So we don't know whether that was because you put too much on.
But it also says
put a heavy coat on.
Put it on thick. So
let
put
me
a
get
thick coat on.
Let me get a. So it's still shiny there, but you say it's tacky though.
Mm-hmm. It's tacky. I mean, it's not.
Yeah. So
it's not coming off on my hand.
So it's dry. All right.
Okay.
So
then you peel it off and then wash off any residue. So
I think it'll be important to see the other side of the peel.
Yeah, I don't know how do you start this?
Yeah, I would start there.
I've never done a mask before, and I let it dry so long. Maybe it's concrete now. I don't know.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
I try not to screw up the other side so we can see what it's peeling out of your skin.
Oh, maybe it's peeling off the hair on my skin too.
Yeah, there you go. You get a wax. You getting a free waxing.
That would be cool. Okay, so the thicker areas are still a little bit wet underneath, so they're not going to peel as well. Kind of painful.
Definitely see stuff coming off the other side of the mask, though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, again, a little bit wet there.
So do you suppose maybe you just had a little bit heavy on that side? On the sides, maybe?
Mm-hmm. So I would say more of a medium maybe coat, because that seemed to peel off way better.
It does look like there's a lot of impurities and stuff on there, like whiteheads and stuff on there, that if you look, you can see like lots of oil.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
And you do wash your face first, so now I have a little mustache.
All right, well, let's get a picture of you after you wash your face. All right, you've got it all peeled. You've got your face washed.
I went and washed my face.
Zero in on that beautiful face.
Super easy to wash off the excess, the little leftover.
You have a nice shine and a healthy glow.
You know, it feels really nice. It obviously exfoliates.
Yeah.
There's not any like rough patches.
No?
Yeah, it feels really nice. It was harder to pull off than I thought.
Yeah.
Of course, I've never really done masks, so
Yeah.
I can remember one mask I've ever done in my life. So
Would you do it again?
yes, I will. My face feels healthy and tighter, and it feels good. It feels really good.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.